So hello everyone, in this video we will solve the question of exercise 16.2 polity chapter class 11, and this is the Ncert book we are doing this time, Ncert, right? So fine, see, we have discussed its theory. If you have not watched, so I recommend you please go and first watch those theory videos, right? So this question number one, if we consider C, a die is rolled, right? If you know the die, Ludo, that is the die. Let E be the events die shows 4. Okay, so we have made one event that die shows 4. And F with the event that die shows an even number. Now question asks, is E and F are mutually exclusive or not? Fine. So see how we can do the first question here. It's very easy number, a very easy question. So first of all, let us write down the sample space for throwing a die, right? Or rolled a die. So when we are rolled a die. So when we are rolled a die, what is the sample space? Sample space will be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. In which what is the E events that die shows 4. Okay, so E is the event that die shows 4. So this is 4 here, only 4. And F is the event that die shows an even number. So what is even number? 2, 4 or 6. Now question asking, is it mutually exclusive? So fine, let us check. So here you can say we know for mutually exclusive events. What I am writing, then E intersection F must be is equal to 5, means nothing should be common in between. So but here you can clearly see, if we are finding E intersection F, then we are getting number 4. So this implies, this clearly shows that E and F are not mutually exclusive. This is not mutually exclusive. Why not? Because their intersection are not 0, or sorry, not 5. That's why it is not a mutually exclusive. Fine. Okay, so now see the second number question. In this is question saying that a die is thrown and describe the following events. So these are the events is given after throwing the dice. Fine. So let us do this question. Question number 2. So let us first of all write the simple space. Simple space is what? When we are throwing a die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay. First is saying that A is the simplest space, number less than 7. Number less than 7. So you can clearly see here all the number is less than 7 only. Means this is all the elements will come. 4, 5, 6. If you're talking about B events, what is the events B? Number greater than a number here we have to take, that should be greater than what? 1 minute. Greater than 7, right? So number greater than 7, greater than 7. So you can clearly see there is no elements is there that is greater than 7. So this is 5 here. If we're talking about the C events, that is multiple of 3, so 3 and 6 will be only there. D is talking about the number less than 4, right? So 1, 2 and 3 can be considered less than 4. If we're talking about E here, see this is your E, fine. So an even number greater than 4. So even number greater than 4 is what? Only 6. 5 is not an even number. And F, we take that a number not less than 3. Number not less than 3 means 3 we can take. We have not take less than 3, but 3 we can take. This is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the situations. Now question asking that also find A union B, A intersection B, and this all things. So okay, let us do one by one. So here first things we have to find what? A union B. So what is the value of A union B? We are finding this one, right? A union B. You can see here. This is the A union B. So simple. This is your A. This is your A here, and this is your B here. So this A union B. Simply that will be A only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can clearly see we are getting S. So if you want to write in advance, you can say here A and B are what? Exhaustive event. Why? Because we are getting the total sample space. So you can write that A and B are here what? Exhaustive. This is the exhaustive in nature. Second, let us we have to find now A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? A intersection B. So because of nothing is there in the set B, so if you take intersection, nothing will come. This will be 5 only. So you can say here what that A and B are what? Mutually exclusive, right? This can be written as this is the mutually exclusive, or you can say disjoint. Mutually exclusive or disjoint event, right? Third, E intersection F. Okay, so E intersection F. So this is E and this is F. So 6 will be answer. Hopefully you are getting the concept. So easy. Once you write this in the form of set, it's so easy to find out. So next, you have to find out what E union, I think, not intersection. E union F. So if you are taking union here, so this is your E and this is your F. So I think this is simply F. That is 3, 4, 5 and 6 will come. If someone asks, is it exclusive? So no, because 6 is common. Is it mutually exhaustive? It is exhaustive? Again no, because we are not getting a sample space. So these questions you can write in your mind. Next is here D intersection E. Okay, so I am writing here D intersection E. Or let us write here D intersection E. So what is the D intersection E? D intersection E. So where is D? This is D and this is our E. So we have to take their intersection. So clearly it is 5. So is it mutually exclusive? Yes. Is it exhaustive? No, because we are, if you take the union, you are not getting the whole number here. Fine. So next one here we have A minus C we have to find. So clearly you can see this is a question of set now. A minus what? A minus E, I think. A minus C. A minus C here. Okay. So A minus C. A minus C is what actually? So this is your A. Let us write one or all. I'm directly writing here. So A minus C, we have to remove all those elements which are present in A also and in C also. So A minus C. This is A minus C. So 3 and 6 we have to delete. 3 and 6. So we will get 1, 2, 4 and 5. This is what? 1, 2, 4 and 5. So this is the answer here. A minus C. What is next? D minus E. So what is D minus E? See, if we're talking about D minus E here, so this will be here D minus E. So D minus E. So what is your D? D is this, and what is E? E is this. So if there is nothing in D that is present in E, so simply answer will be D. So that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next, if you see here, that one is E intersection. Here we have to find F complement, right? Or not F, you can say. That is the F complement. F complement, or that is nothing but sample space minus F. So what is the sample space? This one. So from sample space, this is the sample space, and you have to subtract F. So what you are getting after subtracting F? Simply we are getting here 1 and 2 only, right? So this is the answer. Next we have to find out about that one, E intersection F dash, right? Okay, so E intersection F dash. So see here, this is your E intersection with F complement or F dash. So we have to take these two intersections. So is it any common? No common. So what is the answer? 5. So is it E and F complement is here exclusive? So yes, it is mutually exclusive. So hopefully you get the concept of this question number 1 and 2 here. So next question we are doing in the next video. Thank you.